Hello students of standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. Here is our workbook and as you know पहले हमारे जो चैप्टर 8 था उसके कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर बाकी रह गए थे. सो पेज नंबर 42 वे आर स्टार्टिंग जो क्वेश्चन आंसर 26 नंबर का बाकी था हमारा. व्हाट इज पालिया? तो मॉन्यूमेंट ऑफ पिलर एक्सपेक्टेड इन मेमोरी ऑफ द हीरोइक martyrs who stood first against the enemies and died in battle is called a पालिया. ओके यानी शहीद होता. ओके तो सबसे पहले मॉन्यूमेंट ऑफ पिलर एक्सपेक्टेड इन मेमोरी ऑफ द हीरोइक मार्टियर हु स्टूड फर्स्ट against the enemy died in battle is called a पालिया. Number 7, the period of which temple is the Gupta period called? The Gupta period is called the period of structural temples. How many main type are there of temple architecture? Which there are 3 main type of temples architecture. It's a Nagar temple, Dravid style and Vasara style. Okay, next is question number 6. What is following question in brief? So who tried to establish their dominance over the Jagannath temple? Why? So the Mughal Maratha and the East India Company tried to establish their dominance over the Jagannath temple because they believed that by giving the control over the temple, the local people community would also accept their rules. Why is Barsana Holi known as Lathmar Holi? Give reason. Barsana Holi is known as Lathmar Holi. So Barsana is a birthplace of Radhaji, the man of Nandagam, Lord Krishna land. Come to play Holi with the women of Barsana and try to hoist flag and Radhaji's temple. At that time, men are greeted with lath, thick stick by women. Therefore, Barsana Holi is known as the Lathmar Holi. Next, how is the Rath Yatra of Ahmedabad planned? So, thousands of people, including elephants, horses, akharas, monk and saint, participate in Rath Yatra after Pahanvidhi. Lord Jagannath, elder brother Balbhadra and sister Subhadra side in the chariot and go around in the town in Rath Yatra. which are miniature found. Many such miniature are found in Jain texts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. In addition, beautiful miniatures have been drawn in translated texts like Mahabharata and Panchatantra as well as in Akbar's autography Akbarnama written by Abul Fazl. Okay, इसके आगे का तो हमने कर लिया था. So you have to write down to complete chapter 8 in workbook. Okay, अभी हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपना चैप्टर 14 पेज नंबर 72. What is meant by water scarcity? So water scarcity means the shortage of water. There has been a population explosion in India. During the last 6 decades, the usage of water increased faster due to the demand of grains and cash crop for constantly growing population, developing urbanization and the high living lifestyle of the people. Use of water is increasing to clean every type of litter. Moreover, the present level of groundwater has dropped much low due to its extraction from the tube wells. That is why current water scarcity has become very acute in many parts of the country. Next is forest and wildlife resources. So the economic importance of the forest is the follow. Number 1, wood is the main product of the forest. Hardwood and timber from trees like teak, sal and sisam are obtained from forest. Furniture also made out of them. Number 2, from the soft wood and the pulp of deodar and cheer trees. Sports goods, boxes too, pet tea and medicines, matchstick, paper, artificial fiber are prepared. Next is paper, rayon and a small and big basket, toys, mats and handicrafts are prepared from bamboo. Number 4, lacquer and sealing bags, glue, honey, medicines, plant, herbs, etc. are obtained from the forest. Number 5, the wood of the khir tree give give catsuit. Number 6 is Tafnite is obtained from the pulp of chia tree and medicine oil from eucalyptus tree. ये सब है हमारे वाइल्ड लाइफ के रिसोर्सेज जो हमें अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ में वाइल्ड लाइफ से मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज लाइफ ऑफ द डेजर्ट रीजन. So the life of desert is a vegetation of Sahara desert. There is very little vegetation in Sahara as it is a desert area. Short grass grows on the edge of the desert where there is a little rainfall. Cactus and other thorny bushes etc. are found here. There are ample tree growing date palm in the oasis here. Animals of the Sahara desert. Camel is the main animal of the Sahara desert. It is called the sheep of desert. Animal like sheep, goat, horses, mules, donkey, etc. are raised in the oasis beside fox, striped hyena, scorpion, chameleon, snakes, desert lizard, iguana are also found in the desert. Now here are the short notes. Land resources. So land resources. The upper thin layer of on the surface of the earth is called soil. Is the general cover which is the vegetation usually grow. The soil is compound of many particles. There are small and large rock material, pebble, gravels, clay, silt, minute particles, etc. in the lithosphere which is called regolith. These organic elements like air and water mix with the regolith. It form land which refers to agriculture. The economic development of any nation depend on the quality and the type of soil of it. It has the soil of India are classified into 8 type of Indian Council of Agriculture Research. ICAR: alluvial soil, wet soil, black soil, lateral soil, desert soil, mountain soil, forest soil, and marshy, swampy soil, and peaty soil. Next is water resources. The prevention of water resources, right? 6 points. The measure of prevention of water resources are as follows. Number 1, the judicious use of water is the first necessary. Number 2, second need is to preserve the water. More reservoirs should be built to preserve and conserve the water. Number 3, attempts should be made to raise the level of groundwater. Number 4, preserve the water by obstruction the flow of river water. Dams should be built across the river. Number 5, rainwater should be collected. For this, the Laspool, Soskua and Khet Tarangi from ponds should be constructed. Check dams should be built across small river. Number 6, public awareness should be created. Public participation should be increased for water conservation. Next is preservation of wildlife. So in ancient time, law were enacted during the time of Emperor Ashoka of Maurya dynasty to protect wildlife. The state wildlife is formed by most of the states by the protection of wildlife. Some voluntary non-government organizations also work for this. Following measures should be carried out for the conservation of wildlife. Number 1, strict law should be enacted by the government to stop the cruelty toward animals and also for hunting the animal. It should be implemented strictly. Number 2, seniors of the wildlife should be carried out after certain interval of time. Number 3, forests are the dwelling for the wildlife. They provide natural protection to the wildlife, so the deforestation should be prevented. Number 4, protected awareness should be created for the wildlife. Next is life of the desert region. So the Rann of Kutch. The Rann of Kutch is located in Kutch district of Gujarat. This is on the northwestern border of Gujarat. The country of Pakistan and Rajasthan state are located in the north and east. The Rann of Kutch is divided into 2 parts. Greater Rann of and Little Rann. The Greater Rann is located in the northern part of Kutch and the Little Rann is located in the southeastern part of Kutch. Its total area is about 27,200 square kilometer. It is believed that these deserts are formed due to unlifting of the continental shelf. The Rann of Kutch is a part of the Thar desert of Rajasthan. As the Kutch desert lies in lower part, there is a water logging during the rainy season. The Little Rann dries up quickly than the Greater Rann of Kutch. As the water dries up, a layer of saline contents develop on the ground which develop into white desert. The climate of the desert of Kutch is not and dry. There is very little rainfall here. Next is solar details at proper place like here, Ladakh here, run of Kutch is here, river Narmada is here, river Sabarmati is here, Andaman and Nicobar island is here. Okay, clear? इस तरीके से यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, you have to fill out. So do complete chapter 14 and workbook. We will meet again next session. Till then, bye. Thank you very much.